Today here we have another machine, FX series. So in this variant we have 4 different models. We have this FX5 Ultra. This is a high precision machine similar to MX7. In this machine we have 3 patented technologies, that is MTC, 1-nanometer resolution, and we have iBalance as a standard feature in this machine. This machine comes with a 12 kilowatt spindle which can grind from 0.1 millimeter to 16 mm, and optional we have a 19 kilowatt spindle which can grind from 0.1 mm to 20 mm. And this machine is also having laser ultra option which can measure the tool during the process and it can compensate. We have few samples we have grounded here using this machine. These are for this, these tools are used for internal turning application, and also the tools ground in this machine can cater to 3C market as well, like small tools with 1 millimeter end mill, ball nose, square end mill, and also we have some special end mill families here with the barrel shape end mills, and we have some for carbon reinforced fiber material. We have some burring tools, and we have some step profile tools. So these are the range of tools we can grind on this machine.